Good morning students, welcome to Narayana DZ classes. Today we are going to discuss the assignment key for the class 8 and our topic is story of microorganisms. And let us see the first bit. Dash are symptoms of food poison. So if a person is affected with food poison, what are the symptoms we can see? That is vomitings and diarrhea. So the option D. And next. Dash present in the food items helps the microorganisms to grow. So, what content helps the microorganism? That is water and moisture. Option D. And next, dash are preserved by adding salt or smoking them. In the given option, which food item is preserved? That means stored by using smoking or add salt. That is the fish. Option A. And next, dash helps in killing several types of microorganisms present in milk. So, by which process we can preserve the milk? By boiling. Next, Louis Pasteur wanted to become a. So, he was one of the greatest scientists. He wanted to become a teacher, but he became as a scientist. And the last one, Lazarus Pallanzani proved that microorganisms could be killed by. So he proved that microorganisms are killed by boiling process. That is option B. Let us see the question and answers. Write a short note on pasteurization. So what is meant by pasteurization? The process of preservation of milk, it is called as pasteurization. So this process is introduced by Louis Pasteur. On his name only, that process is called as pasteurization process. In this process, the milk is heated up to 72 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. During this process, the microorganisms which are present in the milk, they will be destroyed. Immediately, it is cooled. Okay, so by this process only, milk is preserved. Whenever we ever require the milk, we will get it because of this process only. The heating of milk, up to 72 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes and suddenly cooled. And this process is introduced by Louis Pasteur. By this process, we can preserve milk for long time. Okay, coming to the last question. What are the advantages of proper preservation of foods? So what is meant by preservation? Storing. So is there any necessity or need to preserve the food? Yes. Why? Because if we not preserve the food, they will get spoiled or they damaged by the microorganisms. So there is a necessity to preserve the food. By proper preservation, we can keep the food items fresh for a long time, and by preservation methods only, the quality of food will be maintained, and at the same time, by preservation techniques, we can get the food material available all days throughout the years. Why? Because some of the food materials are not grown in all places. From particular places, we have to get transport. By these preservation techniques only, we can get availability of all types of food items. Okay. By proper preservation, produce the foods. The quality of food materials, maintained. Availability of foods is possible. Okay, so this is the key. All the best students. Thank you.